Very good evening, people. Welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. Hope everyone is doing good. It's been so long since I have posted my last video. I was busy with other things, so I couldn't post any video from very long time. So here is the video, guys. So today's video is going to be interesting. So in today's video we are going to see how to calculate the speed of a vehicle on which you're traveling. Let us suppose if you're traveling by bus and you want to know how speed the particular bus is going. You can do that simply by using an app called GPS Speedometer. All you need to do is you just need to install the GPS speedometer on your mobile, and then you're good to go. You can able to calculate the speed of vehicle on which you're going on. Let us suppose if you're traveling by bus or if you're traveling by car, and even if you're traveling by train and flight also, you can accurately calculate the speed of that vehicle by using this simple app called GPS speedometer. That's interesting, no? I'll just show it to you how to do that. But when we are going by flight, right, flight generally travels at very high altitude. Like flights generally travel at a altitude of 38,000 to 40,000 feet. So it might not give accurate predictions on flight when it is on sky, but generally when the flight is taking off, it will definitely give you the accurate readings. So let's see how to install and how to check the speed of vehicle on which you're traveling. So let's start. So all you need to do is go to App Store and type GPS speedometer if you're using iOS device, or go to Play Store and type GPS speedometer if you're using Android device. So when you type this keyword GPS speedometer, right, there will be tons of apps which will appear on your App Store. So choose the one which you like, and then install that app, and then you are ready to go. Once you install this app, you can see the interface like this. So it is showing you the accurate speed of the vehicle on which you're traveling now. So actually the vehicle on which I'm traveling now is cruising at a speed of 75 to 76. Even you can see the maximum speed it touched also. Generally by using these apps, right, you can calculate different metrics like how much distance that particular vehicle has covered, and how much distance is left to your destination, and how speed the particular vehicle is going at particular time frame, the average speed of the vehicle, and then the top speed of the vehicle. Everything can be calculated by using these type of apps called GPS speedometers. So these apps are very useful and very informative if you use it in a right way and you calculate the matrix. So this is very interesting, right? Generally journeys will get bored when you don't do anything, when you don't have anything to do. So in that case you can just calculate the speed. So by using these apps, basically you can able to calculate how much distance is left to your destination. That you can actually calculate by using Google Maps also, but this is also another way to calculate it in an interesting way. So I hope you like the video, guys, and I also hope that you find it interesting. And if you do like the video, please do like the video, share the video, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much for all your support, and signing off for today. Thank you.